If you want to insert SIM card into Nothing Phone 3, first of all, you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box of Nothing Phone 3. Mine looks a little bit different, but it doesn't matter that much. We can take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. And we also have this little hole on the SIM tray. We need to insert our eject tool into that hole. There we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out, in order to eject it. After that, use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now let's take a look. Over here we have our SIM tray, here we have SIM 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM 2. In order to insert the SIM card, you need to match the shape. So take a look, where is the cut corner, and then we can insert our SIM card pretty easily. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything, because of course we don't want to lose the SIM card. And if you also insert the SIM card properly, then you might have troubles with inserting the SIM tray back into the phone. I'm gonna also insert the second SIM card, which is of course pretty much identical. You might hear a little click as you insert the SIM card. This is of course a good sign because it means that we have properly inserted the SIM card into the SIM card slot. Now over here at the bottom, we should be able to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Push it in with your finger, make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.